Hello everyone, this is Chef Davinder Kumar. Today I'm going to be talking about Navratri, which is a 9-day festival. During this we worship Goddess Durga. It's a blend of spirituality through dietary, disciplinary food, right? It's a journey of devotion through food. तो आज की जो मैं रेसिपी आपको दिखाने जा रहा हूँ, that's कच्चे केले और चलार की टिक्की. Isn't it interesting? So let's start with the recipe. We put this boiled grated raw banana, half cup boiled grated potatoes, 3 teaspoons of Amaranth Flour, Cholai का और बाइंडिंग, ये बाइंडिंग के भी काम आता है. चोलाई चॉप फ्रेश, अमरांथ चॉप, रेड चिली पाउडर, हाफ टी स्पून ऑफ मिंट, सूखा पुदीना. अब इस मिक्सचर को विल मिक्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ हैंड. अच्छी तरह इसको भूनना है. Again, see this technique here with the palm from left to right. See this. All those ingredients will get equally mixed thoroughly. इसको we will divide them into 4 parts. इसमें हम स्टफी करेंगे with the roasted chopped cashew nuts. Next step is to fry these tikkis. Put some desi ghee because in Navratra generally food is prepared in desi ghee. एक एक करके डालेंगे इसमें. Tikkis are absolutely cooked to perfection. They are crunchy from outside. Here we go, accompanied with beautiful selection of chutney. Isn't it colorful?